Big Bird. I'm Buster Baxter.
To walk on a tightrope, just like in the circus.
To Ernie, where Ernie hides in Big Bird seeks.
Wait, stop the game! Big Bird, Rubber Ducky and I were wondering if we could try seeking.
Oh, you mean I hide and you look for me?
Right.
Okay, can we do that?
Why not?
It's time to play Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Ernie seeks.
I wonder where I should hide.
I don't know, but please, before we count to 10, it's going to be a very short game.
I think I have an idea.
Oh, yeah? What's your idea, Big Bird?
Okay, are you ready to count, Rubber Ducky? Okay. And no peeking, Duck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Wow. Gee, Rubber Ducky.
Gee, Rubber Ducky.
I don't think we're on Sesame Street anymore. I wonder where Big Bird's hiding.
It's hard to think in here. It's such a circus.
That's true, Ernie. It is a circus.
Well, what do you know? It is a circus.
Where a really big
Bird is hiding. Yeah, that Big Bird is hiding somewhere in the circus.
I wonder where.
Look up. Oh no. I'm okay.
Let's go look around.
Wait a second. Did you just see something?
Swing by with yellow feathers? Rubber Ducky did too. Let's see here.
Let's see here.
Big Bird has yellow feathers. We found Big Bird. Wait a minute. That's not Big Bird.
Is it, Rubber Ducky?
Wait a second.
Wait a second.
That's no big yellow bird. That's a monkey dressed like a big yellow bird. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Have either of you seen?
Ernie, yeah, Ernie.
No, I'm Ernie.
You Ernie?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Ernie.
Good to meet you too.
Listen, have either of you?
You seen Big Bird?
Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird. No. Da 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 da.
He's from a two-headed clown. Now where is that bird?
Okay. Did you hear that? Wow, look at those stilts. I wonder who's up there.
Wait,
Wait,
I see yellow feathers. Is that you, Big Bird?
hey,
Sounds like a cow with yellow feathers. Or a horse. Or a rooster.
yeah, I wonder which one it is, Rubber Ducky. Are you a cow, horse, or rooster with yellow feathers, huh?
Neither. I'm a duck doing animal impression. That's a duck.
Very good.
Wow, what an act.
Well, I know it's tough, Rubber Ducky, but don't
There's hope. Big Bird is tall and something small. Oh no, I'm okay. A flying clown clue. He's tall and something small. Hey, could that be Big Bird?
Big Bird? Well, no, it's just a giraffe. That's something tall and
Something tall. Maybe that's him.
that's him. Well, no,
That's just a mouse.
that's something
Small and something small. Hey,
Now,
that car is small. But how can someone as tall as Big Bird fit in something so small? Look in the... Did you hear that? That sounded like Big Bird.
It's really small in here.
Gee, do you think Big Bird could be in there?
Yeah, I know, but
It's so teeny tiny and he's the biggest bird we know. I mean, he's so big. So really, really, really big. Aha! It's Big Bird. Ah, we found him! Yay! Let's sing. Come on, everybody. It's Big Bird. It's him. We know him any place. A feet of yellow feathers, that beak upon his face. His happy Big Bird voice tells us he's the one. We found him. We found him. Our journey to Big Bird is done.
That was fun. I liked hiding.
Well, I like seeking, Big Bird, and I liked when you hide.
And squeaking. That's a game too. Hide and